home and give me wings to fly. We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me?
Hi everyone, hope everyone's good. We had a fabulous week, about 5 days in Holland at Port Zeeland. Hope you've enjoyed the room tour there. There wasn't much to vlog, but it was so cute, really liked it. Definitely be going back there. So we have got a big trip coming up which we are so excited about. So in August/September we are going to Florida, and we are going, first of all we're flying to Miami.
This plane's going to Miami!
And spending 3 days in Miami, stopping at the Ruby Plaza Stay.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm looking forward to that. It looks a nice hotel, so we'll have the beach, and a bit like when we stopped at Fontainebleau, because I don't think is it not much distance where they are, yeah?
Yeah, it's just a bit further down.
Right, cool. So yeah, so we're just looking at actually doing this open top bus and then going onto a boat and doing a bit of a tour all around Miami. I think it takes about 9 hours. So we'll be doing that on the second day we're in Miami, so that'll be nice. And then when we're done with Miami, we wake up, and then after breakfast we drive to Orlando 2 weeks. And we're stopping at Pop Century in Disney for the first week, which I'm really looking forward to because we've never done Pop Century, and looking forward to that. And then obviously we've got the Disney tickets, so we'll be going to Disney. We've also got our Universal Annual Passes, so we'll be doing Universal. But the second week we're going to be stopping at Sapphire Falls at Universal Studios, and then we'll still do Disney as well, but we'll flip-flop because then Halloween Horror Night starts on the second day. I'm rubbish with dates. 2nd of September. So Steve and Kurt are definitely doing Halloween Horror Nights. Me and Josh are a bit on the fence at the minute. We're watching vlogs and I'm thinking, oh, I don't know, I'm not sure. And Josh is still only 14, so he's a bit like, yeah, I'm not sure either. So it's either just Steve and Kurt going to be going, or if me and Josh pluck up the courage, we might not. I can't see it personally, but then me and Josh will just probably either go to Islands of Adventure, have a bit of fun, me and Josh time, or stop at and do a pool. We haven't decided what we're doing if we don't go to Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights. So yeah, really looking forward to doing all that. Have I missed anything out today?
No, I think that's everything.
Then that's everything. So yeah, roll on August. We are all very excited and looking forward to going back to Disney World, because the last, how many Florida trips have we done and not done Disney?
3.
Three. So it'll be nice to get back to Disney and see Epcot. Epcot's going to be really different. So yeah, take care everyone. See you all soon.